Welcome to the third and final video tutorial of our vocabulary mini-unit. Just a few more steps and you are all done. Let's review and see what's in store for this last video. In the last video, you deduced definitions from context by practicing your terms on Quizlet and completing a worksheet. You also worked with your small groups to put together a deep processing triangle to make connections between vocabulary terms. In today's video, we will outline your final formative assessment in which you will create a social media page to use newly acquired vocabulary in a real-world context. Finally, you will access the summative assessment test to complete the mini-unit. Here is our fifth and final objective. In this lesson, you will create a social media post to demonstrate your knowledge of terms. For this activity, you will be able to choose between two different types of assessment: social media, such as Twitter or Facebook, or meme. Choose one of the two options to demonstrate your knowledge of vocabulary terms. Each task asks you to correctly use at least 3 vocabulary terms from the list. Submit your final product to Google Classroom. Now it's time to engage in a discussion with your classmates. Using Google Classroom, start a discussion by commenting on the work of at least 2 classmates. The time has come. You've studied, you've practiced, you've applied. Now take the final step and complete the test. Click on the picture below to access the Google Forms quiz. Be sure to double-check your answers before you submit. Congratulations! You've completed the unit. Cheers to you! Allow me to be succinct. To perpetual learning, sustain the knowledge, go forth to ascertain more. Have a great day.